Hi friends, welcome to my tutorials friend. Today's section is going to discuss about some commands here. So in the last section already I discussed something commands, and today's section also we're going to discuss some more commands to you. Here I'm going to discuss properties, line type, line weight, and other commands also I'm going to discuss with you. Okay, look at. So the first command I'm explaining to you, that is called properties command. So properties means is what? What is the meaning of properties? For suppose if you are making any object now, that object compulsory having something properties. For suppose, think that friend we have made a circle. The circle is having different properties. The circle is starts from one center point, and the circle is having diameter as well as radius. And yes, we have many things are there. The circle is lies on what layer, and the circle is having what color. This all those things will come down to the properties section. If in case if I wants to be change the properties of my object, then how I can change the properties of my object. So that I'm going to discuss now. We have the command friend, that is what the properties command, or otherwise we call it as change command. So I'll make a circle here, so then we can easily understand that what I try to explain to you. So I just started with the C, enter, and specify center point of circle is asking you, so I specified it anywhere, and after that is asking about the radius or diameter. So if you want to be given diameter, then we just pressing D enter and can mention the diameter. Now if you are given any value in this case, now at this case it treat like a radius, so I'm take it as radius, that is fine. Now the circle is made with the 5 radius, but I wants to be change this circle as a 6 radius. Then how we can change it? That's very simple friend. We have to double click on in this object, then automatically they're showing the properties here. Double click on it. Yeah, double click on it. So when you double click on it now, so we are seeing the properties over here, or otherwise we can go by the CH enter, that is called properties, and enter. So when you CH enter now, so we see in the one palette for the properties. So when you're selecting any object, not only the circle friend, we are selecting any other objects what we have made in your plan, that things we can easily showing the properties of it here. And if you wants to be change something settings here, is possible, we can change the changes. So okay, so I can scroll down it here, and this the radius is already mentioned, that is 5. But if in case if I wants to be given 6, I just given 6 and enter. Now what happens, we can see friend, the circle will be updated with this change. So it's not like that friends. For example, if you want to be given any line type to here, we just going there in the line type. So here is the line type here, so and click on the line type, and we can select the line type here. That line type is also comes into the your circle. So I just see, so we have the circle line type here. See friend, we have many different type of line types are there now, so that how we can discuss it on all those things, how we can use it, that line types into your plan, that we'll discuss the next command, that is line type command. I'll discuss with you on that. But in the properties we can easily change that all those things now, that we need to remember. Okay, so that is the exact meaning of the properties here. So if you want to be getting the properties of it here, so I just pressing control 1 also. We can press control 1, so we can getting the properties. It's not mean that we are typing the word CH enter, we can directly use the control 1 also. Okay, escape it, no problem. So now let us see here, this is what the properties, but here I'm explaining about the line type. See friend, can you observe this? The line type means having this only 3 or 4 different type of line types here. But if in case if I wants to be take dotted type of line types now, then how I can take it? So see friend, AUTO CAD is maintain libraries. So what type of libraries they going to be made? For suppose if I wants to be given any hatching now, in that hatching we have the different type of swatches will there. So, and if you wants to be work out with the line type now, so we have the different type of line types are there. So if you wants to be work out with the weight of the line, then we have the different type of weights are there. So we can easily use that all those things, but we need to know that how we are going to use it. So that I'm going to discuss with you now. The first of all, I need to go by the line type now. First, listen friends, the line type command is not going to apply the line type to your object. That we need to remember friends. The line type command is not going to give it the line type to your object. So the line type command is used to load the line types into your AutoCAD. So clear? That we need to understand friends. So line, line, I just using the command, that is line type, enter. When I click on the line type now, so already I told you 3 or 4 line types are there in the current layer. But if in case if I wants to be take a different layer, different line types, now we just click on load here, click it. So when we click on the line type now, so we have this what means is the different type of line types are here, and we can use that what type of line type you wants to be. Already I discussed with you friends, this is the library file friend, that is LIN. If it doesn't have this file now, so then we are not seeing this one. Okay, understand? Okay, so now I'm using dashes. Click OK. Now dashes is came into your current layer, but here we can see friends that it's not going to be applied to your object. If it is selected also, it's not going to be applied. That we need to remember. So I select this one and I go by the line type now here, and I'm using the line type now. So okay, now what happens friends, line type is scale, but what happens means the line type scale is very big. If I want to be decrease this scale now, so then I can see the more dashes, right? So if I want to be decrease the scale now, then we have the next option, line type scale, or otherwise we can use it LTS command. So LTS means line type scale factor. So the line type scale factor usually 1 is comes out, but if in case 0.2 is given, so we can see the line type is decreased now. So then what happens, line type scale is decreases, then automatically we see the more dashes. That is what we are going to do onto the line type and the line type scale factor. And next one is C, line weight. See friend, the line weight is also very simple. So we are selecting this object, and I'm going to apply the line type line weight to this particular object. So I select this weight. So but here we can see friends, this line weight is not came into the selection of the object. See, it's there. So we are applied that line weight to your object, but we are not seeing it. Why? Because of in the status bar we have show hide line weight is there. We need to on it. When you on it now, so we can see it. Otherwise we can't see. We have seen it. But somebody's are said that by using of the line weight also we are applying the line weight to your objects. That's absolutely wrong friend. So we are not going to apply that line weight by using of line weight command to your objects. The line weight command is mainly useful to set the line weight to your current drawing. It means once you have set the line weight to your current drawing, and after that we do any plan, and that means anything, so that will take that line weight. So it means what objects we have made in now, that objects wants to be taken any weight of the line, then it's not possible by using of line weight command. So when it's possible means we need to select that all those objects, and we need to go by properties and change the line weight over there. Then only it's possible. Otherwise it's not possible. That we need to remember clearly friends. Okay. Okay, that's all for the today class now, and tomorrow class we'll going to discuss about next things to you. Okay friend, thank you, and please subscribe my channel.